Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes Igniting a Passion for Learning. In this channel, I will be teaching for all the class 10 Karnataka Board SSLC and CBSE class 10 Ncert Science. In today's video, I will be going to give you a brief information about what other questions can come in your final board exam. So here we are expecting the very important questions, and we are collecting the information from all the various parts of your chapter as well the textbook, okay, and we are going to update you the information. So what you need to study and what you not to study, that is very important. Is this clear, students? So this is very important session. I don't want any of the students have to miss any of the topics what all the things we are discussing in this course. Got it? And also we have done day 1 day 2 videos. So this is nothing but your passing package as well the scoring package, okay, and I want all the students need to copy down these questions and start finding the solutions for these all questions. And this is the crash course of class 10 day 3, and this video will be helpful for all the class 10th Karnataka board and CBSE class 10 board students. Okay, both of you can utilize this opportunity to practice as much as possible these all questions. And most of the students are asking me, sir, can you please share me the PDF? No, children, if I share you the PDF also, there will be no use of it, because just you can copy down the questions and you can keep it with you, but I want you have to write once all the questions. Until unless you don't write the question, never you can remember the question. Okay, not only writing the answer and practicing is important, rather than answering the questions, okay, first you have to understand the given question. If you want to understand the question, then you must and should you have to write the question once in on your paper. After writing the questions, start finding the solutions for these all questions. Maybe these questions looks very new to you. Definitely if you can able to solve this type of questions, the examination based questions also you can answer it. It's nothing but examination based questions only what we are giving here. Some questions can be seen like, yes, I know the answer, but some questions you may feel like I doesn't know the answer. So first what you need to do is with respect to the chapters what I have given the questions, open the textbook, start referring the textbook pages, understand the concepts, utilize the help of your teacher also, of your respective schools, and your friends help also you can use it. If not, you can take even my help. Okay, now first I because actually I have a very busy schedule, even though I am making these all videos, as you all aware of these things, because already I have my own institute. I need to take classes for different batches and for different standards, and even I am the guest faculty for most of the schools as a subject expert for maths and science. So even though I have a very busy schedule, but still I am trying my level best to help you all. Okay, so please use this opportunity to score very good marks. First question, this is the basic area. Write the molecular formula of the following compounds and draw their dot structures: ethane, ethene, ethyne. You have to write the molecular formula as well you have to draw the dot structures. Both the things you have to do. Next question, state the meaning of the functional group in an organic compound. Write the formula of the functional group present in alcohols, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Here they are asking you to write the meaning of functional group. Means you have to define what is functional group, and after that you need to write the functional group of these compounds. Alcohols, what is the functional group of alcohol, aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acids. I hope you can find the answer for this in your textbook. Name and draw the chain structure and dot structure of first two alkanes. Okay, next name the nature of the covalent bond using the bond formation of CH3Cl. Okay, you have, this is a direct question of your textbook, you can get the solution for this. Next, draw the electron dot structures for ethanoic acid, okay, H2S, propanone and F2. Next, with the help of a schematic flow chart, show the breakdown of glucose in a cell to provide energy in the presence of oxygen, absence of oxygen, when there is a lack of oxygen. It's nothing but you have to show the breakdown of glucose. It is one of the very important question. Okay, this question can be asked in various ways, but you need to remember the flow chart. Even though if they don't ask you to draw the flow chart also, I suggest you draw the flow chart and answer the question, so that it will give you a good respect for your answer. Got it? Next, advanced level questions. Now we are taking a particular chapter from the chapter various questions I am just giving you all here. So you will get an idea what is the how the questions can be appeared in the exam, what is the way you need to write the answer. You can learn many things from these all questions. Okay, in this chapter, this is electricity, what I am giving here the question, this is of the chapter electricity. Still much questions are there of this chapter, but I have given a very few questions of this chapter here in this video. And numericals are must in this chapter, must and should you have to learn the problems numericals. Inshallah I will make one more video based on the numericals, and some questions are left out from this chapter, those questions and the numericals I will be making another video on that. Okay, the first question, state the factors on which at a given temperature the resistance of a cylindrical conductor depends. State the SI unit of resistivity. So first you have to write the factors of the conductor depends. Understood? It's nothing but that is just straightforward question of your textbook only, but the way of asking question is quite different. You can see here how the question has appeared. Don't think the answers you doesn't know, children. Definitely you will be knowing the answers, but you need to understand the question first. Okay, and I also like to tell you one thing, the rest of the videos what we have done before, if you doesn't know, if you have not got the videos, do find the description, do find the link which is given in the below description box. Okay, and also some important links also I will be updating by just now or just after 1 or 2 days. Also once again you can visit the channel description box. I will be updating much I mean to say more number of things, and even the links I will be sharing over there. Okay, you can just study and don't miss any of our sessions. These all sessions are very important for your upcoming board exam. Next question, write the differences between voltmeter and an ammeter. Draw a schematic diagram of an electric circuit comprising 3 cells. You have to draw the diagram by assuming there are 3 cells and an electric bulb, ammeter, plug key in the on mode. It means you can see the key should be in on mode. Understood? So here you have to give little bit more concentration while you are drawing the diagram, because most of you doesn't know what is on mode and off mode. So please do check with your textbook as well with your teacher what is on mode and off mode, how to draw that symbol in the circuit diagram. That is on mode, they are highlighting this part on mode, the switch should be an on mode. And another with the same component, this is one type, and one more diagram you have to draw by using the same condition, but little bit different conditions are there. You can see with same components but with 2 bulbs. Here first you have to take 3 bulbs and you should draw the circuit diagram, but here you should take 2 bulbs in parallel. Those bulbs you have to connect in parallel, and a voltmeter across the combination. Okay. Next, what is resistivity? Write its SI unit. They are asking you to define the resistivity and write the SI unit of resistivity. And even I have forgotten one more question, what is electric current, and write the unit of electric current. That is one more question, please make a note. What is electric current? What is electric current? Write its SI unit. Write its SI unit. You can add up in this only, like this is option A. Option B, what is electric current? Question mark, write its SI unit. One more question you can add here itself. Option C, define the unit of electric current. Define the unit of electric current and potential difference. Define the unit of electric current and potential difference. You can define those. That is one of the very important question. It has appeared in the exam. Next question, what is electric power? State its SI unit. Next, name the instrument used for measuring potential difference and current. So what instrument you use to measure potential difference and what instrument you use to measure the current. So you have to write the okay, and even you can add up here option C, power. Don't want power, you will get confused, but leave about the power. Just you go ahead with these 2 conditions enough. So which is the instrument you use to measure potential difference? Here voltmeter we use, for current we use ammeter. Got it? Good. Next, question number 7. Mention one reason why tungsten is exclusively used for making filaments of electric bulbs. So why we use tungsten in electric lamps, electric bulbs, all are one in the same. Why we use tungsten in that? You have to give the reason. How is ammeter and voltmeter connected in the circuit? How you are going to connect in the circuit? How you connect ammeter and how do you connect voltmeter in the circuit? You have to show them and you need to write them. whether you connect them in series or parallel, you have to define. Okay, which is having more resistance? See, here they have given two conditions. One is 220 volt 100 watt. Okay, one component which is having 220 volts and 100 watts of bulb we are using, and one more is 220 volt and 60 watt bulb. So which is consuming more resistance out of this both? Okay, you have to define, you need to tell which is consuming more resistance out of this both, and you can, if possible, try to give the reason also, it will be much effective. Next, find the minimum resistance that can be made using 5 resistors each of 5 ohm. See, we are using 5 ohm. Okay, 5 resistors are there, each resistor carries 5 ohm. So what is the minimum resistance? You need to write the answer. Next, question number 11, state the factors on which the heat produced in a current carrying conductor depends. Give one practical application of this effect. Derive an expression for Joule's law of heating. Give 2 examples for applications of heating effect of electric current. They are asking you to derive the expression of Joule's law of heating. Okay, you have to derive the expression for Joule's law of heating, and also you have to give 2 examples of for applications of heating effect of electric current. Next, why are electric bulbs usually filled with chemically inactive gases like nitrogen and argon? What is meant by the statement that the rating of a fuse in an electric circuit is 5 ampere? Fuse wire is placed in series with the device. Next, question number 13, explain 2 advantages and disadvantages of series arrangement for household circuit. Actually, there is no advantages, children, there is disadvantages are more, but still try to think what is the advantage. Whether you have advantage or disadvantage, you can write. Better, I feel, I suggest you, there is no advantage because we are not going to connect in series. Better we write disadvantages only, there is no advantages actually. Okay, explain 2 disadvantages of series arrangement for household circuit. Why we are not going to connect in series, you have to tell the reason, that is nothing but disadvantages. Okay, they may ask you the same question in other form. Why do you not connect the circuit in series in for household circuit? Like that also they can ask you the question, or disadvantages, both are one in the same answer. Next, explain the following. You have to explain, means they ask you explain is nothing but you have to define, you have to give reason, that's it, nothing else. Like the elements of electric heating devices such as bread toasters and electric iron are made up of an alloy rather than a pure metal. Series arrangement is not used for domestic circuit. Yeah, just now we have seen this question. Question number 13, same answer for this also. Okay, option C, copper and aluminum wires are usually employed for electricity transmission. Okay, electricity transmission, got it. So why we are using copper and aluminum in electricity transmission? It means transferring the current from one place to another place in electric wires, all those things we are using copper and aluminum materials. So why, you have to give reason for that. What is an electric fuse? What is its use in electric circuit? Should it be placed with a natural wire, or on live wire? Justify your answer, you need to justify that, you have to define, and they are asking some reason, you have to give the reason also for that. Done. And next question number 16, define electric power. Okay, a device of resistance R is connected across a source of voltage V and draws a current I. Derive the expression for power in terms of voltage and resistance. State Ohm's law. Draw a circuit diagram to verify this law, indicating the positive and negative terminals of the battery and the meters. Also show the direction of the current in the circuit. Give reasons for the following. Why are copper and aluminum wires used as connecting wires? Tungsten is used in filament bulb. Just now we have discussed these questions. Again it is repeating. No problem. Why is lead tin alloy used for fuse wires? Why we use this material in fuse wires? Next, question number 19. Explain the term. You have to explain this. Heating effect of electric current means what? Derive the expression for the heat produced by electric current and state Joule's law. Explain why a inert gases or gas like argon is filled in bulbs. Already we have defined this question earlier. Next, question number 20. Why does the cord of an electric heater not glow while the heating element does? Next, question number 21. Explain the following. Why is the series arrangement not used for domestic circuit? Same question is been repeated here, you can see in the other form. how does the resistance of a wire vary with its area of cross section? You have to give the reason for this. Okay children, I hope you all have understood this class, right? And if you have liked our channel, do not forget to click the like button and share these all videos as much as possible with your all friends, and do subscribe and ask your other friends also and classmates also to subscribe this channel and use the opportunity to learn with Shah sir. Okay, and we are doing the best, and actually I am doing the best for you all, even though as I have said that I have a very busy schedule, even though I am making some time to help our all students. Okay, so this is the opportunity what you have to utilize it. I can tell you that because most of the students have not yet got the complete syllabus, revised reduced syllabus concepts, everything we have covered in our channel, and also will be covering in the upcoming days much amount of things. So keep in touch. If you want to be in touch with us, so you have to subscribe to our channel, so that whenever whichever the videos we upload it, so that you can utilize it. And even we are solving all the model papers also. And children, most of the students are asking, sir, Kannada passing package, English, Hindi, all those things. Definitely I will get back to you children. Until unless we don't get a proper idea, a proper channel, we won't upload any videos, because if we are giving something to you, definitely it should be helpful, then only we have to give you. Okay, that is what we believe in. Understood? So we are taking some time, and also don't worry, I'll be helping you out. Still we have got enough days. Within that I'll make sure that I can make you people to clear with your upcoming board exam. But only the thing is, you have to follow the channel, you have to follow the classes, and you have to understand the given problems. Practice, practice, practice. That makes you the perfect. Until unless you are not practicing, simply watching the video and omitting out, means you are not going to get any benefit from our classes. If you want to get any benefit from our class, then must and should you have to find the solutions for this and start practicing and write the test from your own. Got it? Thank you children. And comment below how was this class, how was this session, and also comment in case if you what next video I want to make for you all. Okay, you can comment below whatever the things you have, the doubts you can clarify. Inshallah I'll do my level best to help you all. So do like, comment, share and subscribe. Keep watching. Take care. Bye.